In this guide, we're going over how you can download and install Forza Horizon 6 on a PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's technically two different ways to go ahead and get this, and it kind of depends on which way you want to get it. You have two options. The one option is through Steam itself. You can get this game through Steam, or you can also get it through the Xbox app. I personally use Steam, so that's what we're going to be demonstrating this on. But essentially, open up Steam, and once you open up Steam, what you're going to want to do is go to this store tab right here, and then search for Forza Horizon 6. So search for Forza. You'll see Forza Horizon 6 right here. Go ahead and select it. And then from here, you're going to see where mine currently says play now, a purchase button. Essentially, just go ahead and purchase Forza Horizon 6. It's then going to appear in your Steam library. We just got to select library up at the very top. And then from here, find Forza Horizon 6, select it. And where mine says stop, you'll see a download option. Go ahead and download it and install it right there. Now, if you're on the Xbox app, you just got to go to your library and, of course, make sure your own games are showing. And you can go ahead and get it from there as well. It's pretty much the same process. Store tab, and you can download it. If you're trying to get it through Game Pass specifically, you can also go on that Game Pass section and also purchase it. But that really is the full process. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.